Toyota of Irving is your place for collision repair. With factory-trained technicians and Toyota-certified repair, your vehicle is in capable hands with decades of experience. From dents and dings to major frame repair, our well-equipped shop enables us to restore any vehicle to like-new condition. At Toyota of Irving, your vehicle is in the right hands with the right training, the right tools, and the right equipment. Attention to detail is everything when it comes to bodywork, and ours is unmatched. Our prep team is the best in Texas, and our state-of-the-art water-based paint system can produce a factory-level paint job that most shops can only dream about. As a direct repair facility, we work with major insurance companies to streamline your experience, meaning you're back on the road sooner. Keep your Toyota a Toyota with Toyota of Irving Certified Collision Center.